right here, White Sands National Park.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go. 14er finisher and his wife. That's me. Let's go. White Sand Dunes, get it. Welcome to New Mexico, land of enchantment.
New Mexico welcomes you, and we want to welcome you back to 14er finisher on this windy ass day in the land of enchantment.
Woo!
Let's go. Good God.
White Sands National Monument works like a national park, and similar fees will apply, so be prepared. Your America the Beautiful Pass should get you in for free.
Hey guys, so it says that we are here, and it's saying to follow the trail markers, and if you get lost, si se pierde, here's what you do. Reach down and pucker up and kiss your butt goodbye. No, I'm just kidding. Any foray into the backcountry, and all jokes aside, no matter how short or long you may think it will be going into it, you should always have the 10 essentials. And with that, we wish you happy and safe trails.
Hi guys and gals, 14er finisher's wife right here. We are at the Great Sand Dunes here in New Mexico.
See, it's White Sands National Monument.
Hi guys and gals, we are here at the White Sands National Park here in New Mexico.
Let's go.
As it says, make sure that you stop and you have water on this trail. White Sands National Park, New Mexico. Get you some!
I think Laura might like it here. Just a little bit. Just a little. Let's just put it this way. White Sands, New Mexico, it doesn't suck.